beautifuls! Welcome back to Modern Girlz, your ultimate space for fashion, food, beauty, wellness, and glow-up inspiration. Today, I'm going to show you how to style one versatile outfit for any occasion, so you can look amazing no matter where you go. Having a versatile outfit is a total game changer. It saves you time and money, and helps reduce decision fatigue when getting dressed in the morning. Fashion is all about expressing yourself, and what better way to do that than with an outfit that can take you from day to night and from casual to dressy. The key to creating a versatile outfit is to start with a few essential pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks. The goal of this video is to demonstrate how to style one outfit for multiple events, so you can see just how easy it is to create a variety of looks with just a few pieces. This outfit is perfect for anyone who wants to look stylish without having to spend a lot of money or time getting dressed. We'll be exploring different ways to style the outfit, from casual everyday looks to more dressy outfits for special occasions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to create a versatile wardrobe that meets all your fashion needs. The outfit we'll be working with consists of a few basic pieces, including a pair of pants, a top, and a jacket. These pieces can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks, from casual to dressy. The pants are a neutral color, which makes them easy to pair with just about anything, and the top is a classic style that never goes out of fashion. The jacket adds a touch of sophistication to the outfit and can be easily removed if you want to dress down. We'll start with a casual look, pairing the pants and top with a pair of sneakers for a relaxed, everyday look. Then we'll add the jacket to dress up the outfit and swap out the sneakers for a pair of heels. Next, we'll show you how to add some accessories, like a scarf or a hat, to give the outfit a bit of personality. We'll also demonstrate how to layer the outfit, adding a sweater or a cardigan to create a cozy winter look. The best part about this outfit is how easily it can be transformed to suit different occasions. For a night out with friends, we'll add some statement jewelry and a pair of high heels to give the outfit a glamorous touch. For a more formal event, we'll swap out the top for a blouse and add a pair of dress shoes. We'll also show you how to dress down the outfit for a casual day out by swapping out the jacket for a denim jacket and adding a pair of sneakers. To take the outfit to the next level, we'll add some accessories like a belt, a watch, or a handbag. These small touches can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of the outfit. We'll also demonstrate how to mix and match different patterns and textures to add some visual interest to the outfit. By experimenting with different combinations, you can create a look that's all your own. One of the most dramatic transformations we'll be showing you is how to turn the outfit into a formal look. This is perfect for special occasions like weddings or job interviews. We'll add a blazer, a tie, and a pair of dress shoes to give the outfit a sleek, professional look. This look is sure to impress, and it's a great way to make a good first impression. The key to styling this outfit is to experiment and have fun with it. Don't be afraid to try out new combinations and see what works for you. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your clothing choices. With a little practice, you'll be a pro at styling this outfit in no time. We've shown you how to style one versatile outfit for multiple occasions, and we hope you've learned some valuable tips and tricks along the way. The most important thing to remember is to have fun with fashion and not be afraid to try new things. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more styling tips and outfit ideas. Let us know in the comments below which look was your favorite, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Girlz for more glow-up and style content. Thanks for watching.